With Ukraine's drone army working hard to take out Russian equipment, their armored vehicles has become a common target, as the armor stands no chance against a common shape-charged warhead, which Ukraine often use on their drones. Even with this upgraded BMP, the improvements done is adding more firepower, leaving the vehicle equally as vulnerable. Having one drone to immobilize the vehicle with the other causing a fire to break out, destroying the armored vehicle, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.